POV, you bought a digital tablet with having no prior drawing skills. This is an illustration glove I purchased separately. Whoa, it does make me look professional. Let's keep the glove aside and get to the tablet first. I am not patient at all. Let's check the box contents at first. Instruction guide. USB to USB-C connection cable. USB-C input dongle for smartphone. Battery-free digital pen PW110. Pen holder with extra pen nibs. Now we are all set to make it tablet naked. The buttons and scroll bar seems well sturdy. Now we connect the graphics tablet to my PC and go boom. Initially we need the driver software to be installed. In most cases, download link would be given on the brand's website. After the download, install it and get to know about the interface of both tablet and the pen. To start, I plan to do my signature. For beginners, it is a bit of a challenge to handle the pen as it works as a cursor. Apparently, I have decided to turn my best friend's ugly face to a dope illustration. The only tools I am using are the pen tool and the brush tool. Geez, I am done. Now let's see her reaction on it.
Huion Inspiroy to S.
Get yours today from huioninspiroi.com and shipped anywhere in the world.